In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a jitter plot in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Tableau or looking to enhance your data visualization skills, this is the perfect way to create a detailed and visually appealing chart quickly. Let's get started. First, fire up your Tableau public app. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download it from the Tableau website. Once it's open, check to see if you're on the right worksheet where you plan to create your jitter plot. Having your data organized beforehand will make these next steps even easier. With your worksheet ready, drag the category field to the columns area. This step lets you sort and display your data based on different categories simply by placing it along the x-axis. Next, you'll want to take the sales field and drag it to the rows area. This action will bring your sales figures into the view, plotting them along the y-axis. Now that you have your basic structure, it's time to add a splash of color. Grab that category field once again, but this time drag it to the color marks. Doing so will color code the categories, enabling you to visually differentiate them at a glance, which adds an intuitive understanding of your data distribution. To bring more detail into your plot, drag the subcategory field to the detail marks. This little trick will fine-tune your plot, adding layers of information that can be broken down into more specific segments within each category. Before we go further, let's change the marks type to circle. By doing this, the plot will now present each data point as a circle, enhancing the readability and aesthetic appeal of your jitter plot. Next, navigate to Analysis in the upper menu and click on Create Calculated Field. This action will open a dialog box. Here, you're going to name your new calculated field Random. Simply type the word random as the calculation and click OK. This step will help in spreading out your data points across the x-axis. Now, drag this new random calculated field to your columns. Interestingly, this randomizing technique introduces a small amount of horizontal jitter to each data point, making your plot alive, adding variation where many values overlap. Navigate to the field we just added and switch its measurement to dimension to ensure your jitter plot reflects random values as discrete segments instead of a continuous field. Now for some housekeeping to tidy up your plot. Right-click on the sheet and select Format. We'll focus on cleaning up the lines. Head over to the Lines section and toggle off both grid and zero lines. Removing these enhances the clarity and focus of your data points without distracting lines cluttering the view. Finally, right-click on the axis and deselect Show Header. This removes unnecessary labels, giving your jitter plot a sleek and minimalistic look. And there you have it. You've successfully created a jitter plot in just a few minutes. Feel free to explore further enhancements or share your insights with others. Thanks for tuning in today.